Shwmai, rydw i yma yn yr amgueddfa Ceredigion. I'm here in Ceredigion Museum doing some building checks today and also picking up the post. And we have some lovely fabric squares here that people have sent in for our quilt. Here. Keep them coming, and the details are in the post below for how to join in. Rydym am ychwanegu 2 gwilt newydd, un go iawn i'r casgliad, un go iawn ac un digidol, i'n helpu i gofer profiadau o'r pandemic. So for our digital quilts, please send us your voices, your videos, your photographs, poetry, drawings, soundscapes or images of any kind. So ni'n angen lleisiau, fideos neu ffotograffau, barddoniaeth, lluniadau, llenweddau, caneuon neu hyd yn oed a fabric. And we've all had some great contributions already. Malcolm Price from Minor Groes near Newquay has been self-isolating. He's been looked after by his neighbours and the local lifeboat crew who have been delivering medication. And he sent in his Corona lockdown blues. Thank you, Malcolm. Dyma can wedi ei hysgrifennu gan Malcolm Price o Minor Groes. Diolch, Malcolm.
Got me the coronavirus lockdown blues.
Rose Thorne has sent in photos of a Cwarantîn quilt she's making, which has many layers of meaning, including reference to the colonial slave trade, which is part of her ancestral heritage. During lockdown, she also went on the march in Cardigan to support the Black Lives Matter movement, along with her partner Marie Lewis and 150 other people. An important reminder that the pandemic has exacerbated inequality in many places and that many people are dealing with more than just having to stay at home. Meanwhile, Elsie Farah has been at home in Dolgellau, shielding her son who has cancer, but missing Ceredigion and family here. She felt moved to write her first poem since school days. We're very grateful to everyone who has contributed so far, and there's still time to get yours in. We'd love you to be part of our memory quilt. Diolch yn fawr.